How to enable or disable scale writing to calendar size on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, tap on calendar. Then tap on the menu button at the top left. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then in calendar settings, we scroll down and then tap on labs. Next, tap on scale writing to calendar size. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on or switch it off. When this is turned on, it can change the size of handwriting and drawings to suit the size of the calendar, screen or window. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your calendar page, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.